Good boy. Hey, silly man. Oh, wow. So excited? Hi. Hey, you. Oh, yeah? What do you have to say? Tell us about it. Oh, wow. What else? What else? Look at that double chin. Look at that double chin. That's nice work, my friend. Nice work. Anything else to say? Anything else to say? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye.